Is there a justification for this unwavering assurance? Has Kiyosaki observed anything other than what is obvious? Keep watching the video until the end to find out, since we'll be talking in depth about it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and greetings. Today's video will about that you will not be able to buy ADA in 2025, so stay focused. The overall cryptocurrency market is currently in a severe downturn, with some of the largest names, including the market leader Bitcoin, suffering significant losses. It has dropped to levels last seen in the summer, probably pushing other cryptocurrencies down today. But the market's decline is not due to Bitcoin, rather it is due to traders' continuous worries about the cryptocurrency market and other economic issues. That includes concerns about an impending recession, rising interest rates, and inflation. These elements combine to cause a market meltdown, causing a drop in cryptocurrency value. Due to a significant price drop, Cardano is also not immune to this. Due to uncertainty over Cardano's ability to survive the fall, investors are currently selling their holdings. However, crypto experts like Robert Kiyosaki have subtly urged these investors to maintain high expectations. Robert Kiyosaki is an American entrepreneur and author. He founded the Rich Dad Company and Rich Global LLC. This private financial education organization teaches people about personal finance and business through books and videos. His best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, has contributed significantly to financial freedom and global growth. Kiyosaki and Sharon Lecher co-authored the book in 1997. The book has sold over 32 million copies in over 51 languages and over 109 countries over more than 6 years on the New York Times bestseller list. The book's information has aided both individuals and businesses in honing their financial acumen. Now think just how valuable his financial forecasts are. Robert Kiyosaki had argued that the impending crash was unavoidable and that the main losers would be gold, silver, Bitcoin, and real estate. Additionally, he offered some pessimistic forecasts about the economy and the future of cryptocurrencies, asserting that we are in the biggest bubble in human history, at which point the government will confiscate all cryptocurrencies and hyperinflation would rule the day. He has been a proponent of Bitcoin and has suggested buying gold, silver, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. On the other hand, he tweeted on a Tuesday morning that he anticipates the U.S. government seizing all cryptocurrencies. The president's decision to regulate cryptocurrencies and his action to develop a federal cryptocurrency were the driving forces behind his deviation. The forecast received harsh criticism from the cryptocurrency community, with many individuals pointing out that he should wait until he had seen the executive order before making irrational assumptions. Results, however, have shown that he frequently establishes accurate predictions. Recently, he mentioned how many Russians were adopting Bitcoin as a lifeline following the fall of the Russian ruble. He asserts that the conflict between Russia and Ukraine will lead to the emergence of cryptocurrencies as a more secure alternative to fiat currency. The demise of the U.S. currency was another topic covered by Kiyosaki. He observed that the United States was in its doldrums due to his decline in power. Kiyosaki, who had earlier predicted the collapse of Bitcoin, now sees the coin's decline from record highs as a fantastic purchasing opportunity for investors. Who among investors will use this strategy in the appropriate frame of mind? Of course, it would be investors who have adhered to Kiyosaki's regular financial counsel and faithfully followed his lead, but in general, many investors are likely to take this road. He claimed that the crash was positive news and that he was prepared to purchase more. Although he only mentioned Bitcoin, there are dozens of different cryptocurrencies that investors can pick from, and Cardano has a great chance. He used the opportunity presented by his prediction of the cryptocurrency meltdown to boldly declare that it would be the finest moment to become wealthy. Governments will eventually accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment to save the administrative costs associated with creating money. He is therefore advising individuals to invest in cryptocurrencies to improve their own lives in the future. According to a rigorous examination, Cardano is the only coin that can do this even in a crash. Experts in the crypto markets have been working hard to create digital assets for several years, a coin that might address all scalability inside the trade and power-related issues in a single place. When Cardano was created, all the difficulties and efforts were resolved, so what makes it less able to recover from the current crash? Cardano has established itself as one of the most active and busy digital assets in the cryptocurrency space throughout the years. With that in mind, it is sensible to conclude that option 88 is a worthwhile investment. Cardano is one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies that has accomplished notable feats across the market, and its notoriety appears to be rising dramatically. Cardano is described as a sleeping monster capable of outpacing other coins. Cardano recently made smart contract capability available and currently holds the top spot for daily transaction volume. Cardano has a history of being the most traded cryptocurrency, with transactions totaling $17.85 billion. This achievement was significant since it came before Bitcoin, which had transactions totaling $16 billion. Additionally, it has seen a noticeable increase in user engagement. Although it is clear that Ethereum still commands the most proportion of deposits, users, and developers, faster and less expensive competitors may overtake it in the market for smart contract platforms. Cardano will offer more practical and affordable solutions. It has drawn the most well-known blockchain applications, such as peer-to-peer exchanges, that let cryptocurrency users store their coins instead of entrusting them to a hot wallet on an exchange like Coinbase or FTX. Introducing a new DEX Sunday swap is the cause of the rise in the number of transactions involving Cardano. In the early days of Bitcoin, high-profile launchings that unexpectedly attracted large amounts of new traffic had the potential to jam the blockchain severely, and Sunday Swap was no exception to this rule. After 1 month of operation, it is responsible for 98% of the total amount that has been locked. Because of the way Cardano was designed, its developers could accommodate increasing demand simply by increasing the size of its blocks. Cardano is another promising project that has a lot of potential applications. Cardano is particularly resilient due to this quality, despite the general downward trend in the market. The increase in the Cardano coin is driven by the rising demand for the Cardinal ecosystem. The Cardinal team has established one of the most robust ecosystems for blockchain technology, including businesses like DeFi and Nuts, among many others. The Cardano coin has been in circulation for a significant amount of time, and this is not the first time it has had a crash. This coin has the power to calm storms. It is believed that Cardano will recuperate faster due to the numerous innovations that the Cardano team is currently working on. Some of these advancements include the Hydra protocol and the hard fork of the Vessel. Cardano D5, which is one of the coins with the most rapid growth rate on the market, was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who has stated that the JED stablecoin has the potential to transform the cryptocurrency industry completely. The statement was then made not much long after that. A payment processor for Cardano that supports more than 30 different fiat currencies. Is it possible to amass fortune through the use of Cardano? It is indeed possible to become a billionaire through the use of Cardano. However, we must never lose sight of the fact that to do so, one would need several catalysts, a great number of factors working in their favor, and the ability to ride out the roller coasters that are specific to the cryptocurrency market. There is no doubt that Cardano will live up to its full potential. That's all we have for you today. Take a look at how you will not be able to buy ADA in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think about Cardano? Would you be able to buy ADA in 2025? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.